Right, so see this, okay, the question given in TCS company where virtual calculator is allowed. If you know the approach, fine, then cool. So population of a town is 1,21,000 and the ratio it is increasing is 10% per annum. Every year 10% is the population increase. Now we have to calculate the difference between population 3 years since means after 3 years with respect to 2 years ago. So right now 1,21,000. 2 years ago, let us say it is P, here 10% increased, again 10% increase, then you got 1,21,000. P is nothing but equal to 1 lakh actually, doing calculation. How sir? This is P means 2 years ago population. This is present, 2 years before is 1 lakh. How sir? You can do P into 110% into 110%. You can do the calculations like 2 years ago population, this is into 110 into 110 means this is 1.1 1.1 which will be 1.21. The product is 1.21. 110% means 1.1. 110 divided by 100, 11 by 10, 1.1 will come. 1.1 multiplied by 1.1 is 1.21. Cancelling, you can find clearly this is 1 lakh. 1 lakh is the population when? 2 years ago. Okay, but you have to take difference between. I'll write 2y means 2 years ago at least. You can understand. Next 3 years after also we have to calculate. What is current population? Present population 1,21,000. After 3 years means we have to multiply with 1.13 times. 3 years after. So first year 10% increase, next year 10% increase, next year 10% increase. Then you got population 3 years after. Right, so what is population 3 years after is 1,21,000 into 110% means 1.1 again 1.1 again 1.1. So it's 121 into 11 cube 1331. So actually in TCS virtual calculator allowed, you have to take difference between 1 lakh and this one, and this calculation we have to perform. Subtracting these two, what is the answer is the question. So options also bit close enough, 61,000 something. You have to be careful while doing calculation. Or else there is a trick regarding multiplication. If you want to multiply anything with 11, 121 let it be 11 into 1331 only. See 11 multiplication trick is like we can take maximum 2 terms at a time. 1331, right? Write 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. Again 1. This is 11 into 1331. Then again 11 into 14,641. How to do is first write 1. What is 1 plus 4? Okay, we have to write it from right end first of all. Okay. So let's take it from right end and go to the left side. It's not right end. Right end is 1. Okay, first we'll take 1. Fine. Then 1 plus 4 is 5. Then 6 plus 4, 10, 0, 1 carry. Again 4 plus 6 is 10. Already 1 carry, we'll get 1. So here 1 plus 4, 5 with that 1 carry, 6 again 1. So this is what population after 3 years. So the difference between 1 lakh and this one is 61,051. So answer is 61,051. 11 multiplication trick is that. I'll just again update you. Let us say you are multiplying 235 into 11. See this. If you multiply 235 into 11, write 5. What is 3 plus 5? 8. Then we can take 2 at a time. 2 numbers only at a time. Next 2 plus 3? 5. Then 2. This is what 235 into 11. 11 trick is that. Maximum you can take 2 at a time. From right side take 2 terms. If there is a carry, add it to the next one. Here I did like 1, 4 plus 1 is 5, 6 plus 4 is 10, 0 here 1 carry, 4 plus 6 is 10, with that 1 carry 11, 1 we are writing here, 1 we taking carry, 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 1 that 1 carry 6, then 1 more like that. When calculator not allowed, still how to handle. In TCS and virtual calculator allowed, you can handle this question, but we are in a assumption that when calculator not allowed, how to handle this. So option A is correct.